Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I have a little haul. I've got a couple of pairs of shoes to show you actually from a company called I think it's Vivaya or Vivaya. Well, it's a pair of shoes and a pair of boots actually. I thought I'd get some boots ready for obviously the autumn season coming, and then I've got a really nice pair of loafers as well, which I always think look really nice with skinny jeans. So Vivaya are a company that supports sustainability in producing their shoes. There's actually 6 plastic bottles that go into producing each pair of shoes, which I think is absolutely fantastic. I think it's really important to help to support sustainability to protect our planet, especially in this day and age. So the V and the A in the name Vivaya, they actually symbolise the customers that wear their shoes from opposite directions. And then we have the I, which symbolises the plastic bottles that go into making the shoes. They have a wide range to choose from. Really, really beautiful designs. These are lovely, really nice. I'd say that a lot of them look like, you know, high-end fashion designer shoes. They actually recently brought out a new collection that have the most adorable designs on them. They've got some with like animals on, they've got some with bees on, which I'm gutted because I would have 100% chosen those had I have looked, you know, now rather than when I bought them a few weeks ago. I might have to get some more. But anyway, so I'm going to show you what they're like. So they come presented in a really nice packaging as well. This screams sustainability to me just because of the colours and everything. And I really appreciate the rose gold writing on the box as well. So it says, step into conscious comfort. I have to say they are extremely comfortable. I have already tried them on. So this is the loafers that I chose. So these ones they've got really spongy insoles, which are really, really nice. And they're also really flexible too. So you don't get that like cracked bit on the side here. Although I will say that the soles on these feel extremely good quality. You know, you've got nice thick rubber. It feels like it's hard wearing rubber on there as well. So this is what the soles are like. So, you know, you've got your little kind of etched in bits here and on the heel as well. So, you know, they're non-slip. And then, as I say, this material is made from plastic bottles. Can you believe that? I think that's amazing. So this bit is actually nice and flexible as well. So it's going to contour your foot nicely. In the back here, we have a little padded section as well, which is really nice, obviously on the back of your heel. So you're not going to get any rubbing or, you know, any discomfort there or anything. And then on the front here, we have this really cute little bow. They do actually, if you want to get the plain loafers, they do actually sell like attachable bows as well. I'm not sure. I think they're the ones that clip here. And then you've got a really pretty bow on the front there as well. But yeah, I really like these. I actually think they look nice. Some people think they look like old lady shoes, which, you know, is fair enough. I think with a pair of skinny jeans and a blazer, they look really classy. So I like them. But yeah, I think they're really nice. Love the colour as well. Obviously, this kind of colour goes with anything, doesn't it? And then I also picked up some boots. So they're in this box here. So we've got the same packaging, but obviously a bigger box because it's boots. I'll just show you inside here as well. When you open up the box, it comes with this really beautiful, like imprinted paper on here as well. And then obviously we've got the boots inside there. So these are sock boots, which I love. And they're in this really nice chocolate brown colour as well. I love the, look at this heel. I think that's beautiful. Really, really nice. I like anything that's a bit different. And when I saw these, I thought I just love that heel. So yeah, really nice. They've got square toes just here. And then we've got stitching around here. So obviously this is the sock part here. And then this bit here is really like sturdy. So this kind of like reminds me a bit of a court shoe just here. And then we've got the sock extension here. But the top bit is really lovely and stretchy, but it's quite thick as well. So, you know, that's really good. They don't feel like they're going to, you know, slide down or anything like that. We have a little pulley tab here, obviously, to pull it onto your foot. So, you know, you're not yanking at the sides and making them all stretched and misshapen. And then inside it's actually got a really nice kind of comfy padded insole as well, which is great, especially if you've got a bit of a heel. You know, it's going to be nice and comfortable for you. And again, like the other shoes, on the sole we have an etched part here at the front, and then obviously the heel's a bit etched there as well, so again, you know, makes them a bit non-slip. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this heel. I think it is just gorgeous. Love the shape, love the design. It's kind of like a block heel but with a little bit kind of cut out of it, which I think is absolutely stunning. Really, really nice. Again, really classy. But yeah, and I love the colour as well. Love this chocolate brown colour. So yeah, it was just a bit of a short and sweet video really, because I really wanted to show you those shoes. But yeah, I think they are absolutely amazing. I love the message behind them, and yeah, I think that the shoes themselves are such good quality. I highly, highly recommend going to check out the website, because I think you'd be pleasantly surprised. So as always, the links to the products shown in today's video I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you'd like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.